Next into the tank is WriteRight.
Hi, thank you for meeting us with us sharks. We'd like to remind you, fish are friends, not food.
Well, our names are Grace, Sarah, Andrews, and Connor, and we are the owners of the WriteRight.
We are asking for $250,000 for 5%.
Well, the WriteRight is a pencil that can spell check. It basically is new innovative technology that is usable for a wide variety of audiences.
The WriteRight can not only spell check, but can also transfer written documents into digital ones, and is compatible with multiple languages.
You simply press the scan button, and then, as you put it over the words, it will highlight everything in green, except for the one word that's spelled wrong, it will highlight in red. Then you scan that word. That word, the letters will be green, and the one letter that's not, it will be the wrong letter, so you will know where it is and how to fix it.
Here is a prototype of our pencil without the electronics.
It also includes a tracking device that works through the Wi-Fi, the same way that it uploads to the internet. It can connect to your computer and attaches to the Wi-Fi at the same time. So if you lose it, you can find it easily instead of having to replace a very expensive pencil.
The WriteRight comes in 4 colors: pink, purple, blue, and green.
So sharks, who's ready to rewrite the future with WriteRight?
Alright, so I'm just kind of curious, like how are you planning on promoting this product specifically?
Well, we have our website, which is located
Further. We have a website, and we are also on other social media because that's where our target audience is, which is students.
We also have advertisements that we plan to go over on different sites, such as a few different sites, to get the wide variety of audience to learn more about WriteRight.
And we also have our commercial that we will be using in various channels, like 5 to 11.
Is there sound? Okay.
Created using How To.
So what kind of sales have you guys had so far?
If we go back a slide. Oh, no, go back 2 slides.
Which slide?
Go back another slide.
Alright.
Okay.
So these are our sales projections. We've just basically started selling them pretty hardly on our website, since it's pretty hard to produce WriteRight pencils without factories and other access. But we projected, based on the number of pencils that are sold in the US each year, we took small fractions of that on base who would want to buy the WriteRight pencil. And then we had our yearly profits for projected.
Those are supposed to say year, not month.
So what would one of these cost, like both you to produce and me to buy?
Well, it costs $50 to produce a WriteRight pencil, but it costs $65 to sell. Would you like to add on to that?
Yes, so we would make a profit of 15, and in the future we are planning on reducing the cost to make by maybe going overseas labor or another option.
We're also planning on selling this globally, which is why we incorporated our translator on it. So when you hook it up to start it, so like you connect it to your computer or device, when you just get it, you can choose what languages you want it to be able to read. So that way, you can have it anywhere globally.
Who are you trying to sell these pencils to?
So, as mentioned before, our target audience is students, because students will probably use this product the most with their writing, schoolwork.
But it can also be used in business and many other fields.
Do I have to buy this online through website, or can I go to Target and buy it?
We plan to have it in retail stores maybe in the next few years, but right now it's only on the website.
So, go ahead.
We're trying to get into Target, but we do not have a store of our own for it.
So I've seen like electronic pens or like technological pens kind of go down the tubes before, just they never kicked off. So how are you guys gonna set this product up so that it's different? That it's kind of, I mean, it's a very innovative product, but how are you gonna make sure that it sells as compared to other pens that have kind of gone down in the past?
Well, this way, the reason so many pens have gone down is because pens like this cost hundreds of dollars. Our competitors, one of them costs $290, the other one costs $190, where ours only costs $65, more affordable for the common people in middle school. This way, we can sell it to more people without them having to save up.
Part of this reason is because we don't need to develop the technology as others have done, because people have already developed it. We're just combining different technologies and putting them into a usable format.
The upper distribution, how are you getting these out?
Again, I said on our website.
So people will order, our website's not working, but they'll order on our website, and then we'll use like standard US shipping.
So what happens when the ink runs out? I have a $65 piece of machine.
Well, ours is a pencil. It's lead. It runs on lead, so you can get more lead easily, and you can use any type of lead, and it's not like you have to throw it away when the ink's gone. You can just refill it.
It's similar to the basic mechanical pencil. It runs on 0.7 millimeter lead, which is very easy to get. Refills on Amazon you can get for $5 for 7 packages of lead, which is about 100 pieces.
And what's a $250,000 going to be used for?
We are going to be using this $250,000 to expand our advertising, get some workers, and build a factory, and go overseas.
We also need this money to kickstart our business. So once we start making them, if we have enough pencils, then once we've made them, we can sell them and get that flow of income, and we can start making money again.
Yes.
Okay.
As we said before, it's kind of hard to make WriteRight pencils from a small retail station. We need a larger producing ones to really start selling them widely.
I feel like the only way this product is going to go over is through Amazon. There are a lot of college students on Amazon, and I have connections to Amazon, so I am here to offer you $250,000 that you want, but I want 20% of your company, because I'm also selling myself in on this deal, because I'll be helping you make connections to the producers and distributors that you need to make this successful, because I don't think you're going to be able to do it on your own.
I can't beat Nick's offer, I guess. So Kevin's offer. I'm out.
This is really up my alley, so I'm out on this one too.
Okay, thank you for your time.
I think you have a good deal with Kevin, but I also just wanted to point out the fact that you guys not only mentioned going overseas in the future, but also doing something else that was really, really good. That was smart on your guys' point, so good job.
I specialize in online, but I think Kevin's your guy for this one.
All right, could we quick discuss?
Absolutely.
Okay, Okay, so we like your offer, but we would like to ask if we would maybe be able to buy back some of our company in the future, if you make your money back.
Counter offer. Define how much would you want to buy back?
Maybe 10%.
I think I need at least 15% of your company if I'm going to put out risk. I'll tell you what. I want to make at least $300,000 back before I let you buy back any of the company, but I'll only give you 5% back. Discuss that again if you want.
Okay, we would like to accept your deal.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.